Tired of fumbling with your EBT card at the register? Let's make using your SNAP benefits at Sam's Club smoother than ever by adding your EBT card to the Sam's Club app. First, unlock your phone and locate the Sam's Club app. Tap the icon to open it. Make sure you're already logged in. If you aren't, you'll need to enter your email address and password associated with your Sam's Club membership. Once you're logged in, look for the menu icon. It's usually represented by 3 horizontal lines located either in the top left or top right corner of the screen. Tap on it. A side menu will slide out. Scroll down this menu until you find the option labeled Account. It might also be called My Account or something similar. Tap on Account. On the account screen, you'll see various options related to your account settings. Look for payment methods. The wording might slightly vary, but it should be clear that this is where you manage your payment information. Tap on it. You'll now see a list of your currently saved payment methods. To add your EBT card, look for a button or link that says Add Payment Method, Add a Card, or simply Add. Tap on that. Here is where it will get specific. Select Add SNAP Card. You'll be prompted to enter your EBT card number. Carefully type it in, double-checking for accuracy. An incorrect number will prevent you from adding the card successfully. You may also need to enter other information like your name, address, and state associated with the card. After entering the information, tap the Save or Add button. The app may verify your card details with your state's EBT system. This could take a few moments. Once your EBT card is successfully added, it will appear in your list of payment methods. You can now use it for eligible purchases when shopping online or in store using the Sam's Club app. That's it. Now you can easily pay with your EBT card right from your phone. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.